Hello, Sis Novisari and Bro Fata. Good evening and welcome back to the class, everyone. Hello, good evening, Bro Fata and Sis Novisari. Check, check. Hello. Hello, everyone. Bro Fata, Sis Novisari, Bro Halim. Are you there? We can't. Oh, sorry. Wait. Sorry, bro. Okay, it's done right now. Okay. Hello. Check, check. Can you right now?
Yeah. Hello,
Okay. Sorry.
bro.
Sorry. Yeah, I don't know why the setting
Sorry, bro,
was.
I don't hear your voice. I
Oh,
don't hear your voice.
what about the others? Can you hear my voice, Francis?
Clearly.
Okay. Okay, so wait a minute. Hey, so Francis, yeah, it's already our last meeting today, right? Sorry, it's so hot here so that I'm sweating ya. Saya keringetan teman-teman. Panas banget ternyata di sini. Padahal udah pada kipas angin juga ya. Okay. So right now it's our last meeting and then we only do like an examination. So it's just like or it's just an interview, Francis. Jadi kayak interview aja ya, tanya jawab kayak gitu teman-teman. And we will do it by the way, or we will do it alternately ya atau secara bergantian ya teman-teman. Nanti saya mulai dari siapa yang saya tanyain dan kemudian nanti yang sudah saya tanya interview awal nanti silakan bertanya dengan pertanyaan yang sama ke teman-teman yang lain seperti itu teman-teman. Okay, so first of all, I would like to say sorry because yesterday night, yeah, last night, my laptop was blank branches or error, but I couldn't continue it. By the way, realized only one questions, yeah, about that, and after check it, by the way, I don't know why it's about what is that? Kata dia katanya itu tentang ini ada pembaruan secara tiba-tiba teman-teman dari laptop saya dan juga nggak tahu langsung semua kena matiin jadi itu langsung update aja dirinya kayak gitu ya teman-teman. So that last night my laptop was blank and then I couldn't continue it. But so for tonight maybe it's not take a time for if we can finish it earlier, Francis ya after to that so it's enough by the way. Jadi mungkin cuman ada 3 topik untuk pertanyaan interview teman-teman. And after that, we can finish it earlier if we have finished it all. Kayak gitu ya. Jadi kalau sudah selesai semua, jadi kita bisa selesai lebih awal because it's only like examinations, like an interview, Francis. Jadi seperti interview. And I will tell you about the procedure, Francis. So here you have to like this one you have to think that I am here as your maybe like HOD something like that yeah in like one of the company and then you will do the interview over there so you have to know about the procedure that you only need to answer the questions that I've given to you by the way Francis. Sudah saya tanyakan, that I'll ask to you, you will answer it like that. Jadi tinggal jawab aja pertanyaannya nanti. Jadi nggak langsung semuanya, tapi satu-satu nanti saya tanyakan. Seperti itu. Okay, so without further ado, right now we're gonna start it, Francis. This one, I'll share you. Okay, so in the day 20, this one, Francis, we have the title is It's Just an Interview, really. Okay, sesungguhnya ini adalah kita coba interview teman-teman karena sama ini kan kita belajar tentang cara menjawab dengan pattern seperti itu ya. So that's the way we face the interview as well, Francis. Okay, so right now I'll show you for the next slide today's goals. Assessing students' ability to cope with the three different types of questions. Examine their speaking ability using the speaking pattern, understanding, and reasoning skills, by the way. Jadi maksudnya di sini kita mencoba untuk menguji teman-teman ya kemampuan dari teman-teman dengan tiga pertanyaan yang berbeda, tiga tipe pertanyaan yang berbeda, dan juga untuk mengexaminate ya kayak gitu atau menguji teman-teman speaking ability-nya atau kemampuan speaking-nya menggunakan speaking pattern, and then understanding pengertian atau pemahaman dan juga pemberian alasan, kemampuan pemberian alasan dan kemampuan pemahamannya seperti itu teman-teman. Okay, so right now we're gonna start it right now, Francis. This one, I'll tell you first. So later, for the first topic introductions, I'll go with here I'll go with this one first. Maybe I will give you the questions. First, nanti saya akan kasih pertanyaan ke teman-teman yaitu berupa okay, so please introduce yourself. And then this one, Francis. Morning, good morning, I am blah blah blah. And then can you tell me your full name, and then please, what should I call you? Could you tell me where you live, like this one? And then we jump into this one. Jadi nanti mungkin satu-satu ya teman-teman ya. Okay, one by one you will get this one. So that later we have this one with the last one. Okay, 2-minute speech using the question. Okay, so I'll start it right now. Jadi saya kasih saya jelaskan lagi ya teman-teman, mungkin untuk prosedurnya adalah dengan cara kita satu persatu dulu. Saya akan mulai bertanya dengan maybe one of you, I'll choose you here. And then nanti setelah semuanya selesai, dua pertanyaan di sini, maka yang sudah saya tanyai itu berhak untuk menunjuk temannya dan menjadi seperti saya untuk bertanya kepada teman-temannya. Okay, so I'll start it right now, Francis. And I'll go with Bro Fatah first, maybe. Hello, Bro Fatah, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so I'll go with Bro Fatah first, yeah, Francis, yeah. Here, so please, you can listen carefully and then pay attention to Bro Fatah's answers, well, Francis. Okay, so I'll go first right now. I'll start it. For the first topic, we'll talk about introduction. Okay, so good morning, Profata. Good evening, Profata.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, so how's life today?
I am kind of tired.
Okay, I see. So what did you do, by the way, Profata, so that you felt tired?
On this day, I train my students Jamboree. So yeah.
I see. But right now that makes you feel tired, yeah? Okay, so right now it's really okay. We're gonna start it. Thank you so much. Okay, in this interview, I would like to know about your identity first, Profata, and then can you tell me your full name, please?
Yeah. Okay. Good evening. On this opportunity, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fatahuddin Hidayat, and you can call me Fatah. I was born in Pekalongan, Central Java, Indonesia. I'm the third child of my family, and now I've got married and I have a daughter. And they live in Kajen, Pekalongan Regency, Central Java. I work in the school as a teacher, and I love playing table tennis and cycling. That's about me. I think enough. Thanks
Okay.
for your attention.
Thank you so much for answering the first question for me. So right now, after introducing yourself, I'll go with the questions about social media here. So please answer it. Depends on the question that I will give it to you. Okay. So for the first one, I'll go with the first questions about social media. Which social media websites do you have, Provata?
Yeah, thank you. Well, I have social media like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. But now I never using Facebook anymore, and I like Instagram. It just to look for some entertain and education. And I'm used to watch English tutor from Instagram and YouTube. That's it.
Okay. Hey, so that's kind of social media or social media website that you have right now or that you have operated. Okay. I'll go with the second question right now, Brovata. And then talking about social media website that you have and then you have operated as well. So right now, the second question is how much time do you spend on social media sites?
Uh, I don't know exactly how much time do I spend on social media sites because I'm used to watch or operate my social media when I got free time. Uh, yeah, when I got free time or to wasting time, usually I operate and opening my social media.
Okay, I see. So right now, or do you spend a lot of time in your social media sites, maybe?
Pardon?
Do you spend a lot of time or a plenty of time on your social media chat when you operate it?
Not really. It depends on need. Yeah, on my need.
Okay, I see. So right now, that's the way you spend your time in social media. And for the next one, I'll go with the next questions. And then what kind of informations about yourself have you put on social media?
Well, some kind of information about myself I have put on social media like my date birth, my address,
Mhm.
my previous study, my college, my school, and on YouTube I put my real identity like KTP
Mhm.
because I am a beginner, a newbie YouTuber, so I must put my KTP on YouTube, sir.
Okay, I see. So that's the kind of informations about yourself that you have put on social media. And then for the next one here, would be the last questions for you about social media, Brufata. And then the questions is there anything you don't like about social media? And then please tell me why.
Yeah, absolutely yes. We know social media has positive and negative impact, I think. And related to the question, there are several things I don't like on social media, such as hoax. We can see a lot of hoax on social media. Then social media also can increase social jealousy, like flexing. That's it.
Okay, I see. So right now, thank you so much for passing and answering all of the questions that I've given to you. So I appreciated the way you answer it. And then right now, it's going to be your turn because you are the first member who answered the questions from me. So I'll give you the opportunity to ask the same questions to your friends. So maybe you can use the method same as me, the way you ask your friends using the questions that being prepared here. Okay, so right now I give you the chance, Pada, and
Okay,
then you
thank
can
you,
choose
sir.
one of your friends.
Yeah, I'll go with Sis Novisari.
Hello, bro. Hello, all.
Yeah, good evening, Sis Novisari.
Yeah, good evening, bro.
Uh, I'll ask some question. Topic 1, introduction. So, can you introduce yourself right now, please?
Yeah, thank you, bro, for the opportunity. So, bro, Yaya, and also my friend here, allow me to introduce by myself. My name is Novi Sari. Please call me Novi. I'm almost 44 years old, so I'm not young anymore, but my spirit is still young. Maybe same with you. I I am I work at Forestry Research Institution, so I'm employee. I'm researcher and I do research relating to forest and environmental issues. I live in Bogor. Actually, I'm from East Java, Malang. And because of my job here in Bogor, then now I live here in Bogor. I think that's short introduction about me. Thank you for the opportunity.
Okay, thank you, Sis Novisari. And the next, we'll go to the topic 2. Which social media websites do you have, Sis Novisari?
Thank you. I think this is nice questions. Honestly, I have 2 social media account. So I have Facebook account and also Instagram. But I use Instagram actually only to get informations because as you know, there are so many people now using Instagram to as social media to update some and share some information with us. But for me, usually I'm quite active using Facebook and sometimes I update my status in on Facebook. That's my
Okay.
answer, bro.
Okay, and then the second question, how much do you spend on social media sites?
Yeah, actually this is hard question for me. Because I never account how many time I spend my time in social media. But if I average it, probably I spend my time every day about 2 to 3 hours on social media. Yeah, I think I spend a lot of time on social media because, as you know, we can get some information through social media and also some interesting news that now through social media we can get it fast if we compare with news on the television. So that's why now I prefer to spend my time on social media than television to get some information. That's my answer for this question, bro.
Yeah, I see. Thank you. The next, what kind of information about yourself have you put on social media? Why or why not?
Yeah, this is interesting questions. Yeah, to be honest, actually, we should avoid to share any personal information through social media because people can do bad thing for us. For example, maybe they will try to hack our account using our personal information. So, which is it is not good for us. So we try to avoid our personal information on social media. So usually, if I update status on social media, I only share my daily activity. For example, when I do travel uh, to the city, maybe to other city, and then sometime I will update my current status that I'm on one city and I do traveling, but I never put a status about my job because it is forbidden for me to share my job on social media. That's all, Bro Fatah.
Yeah, right. And the last question in topic 2, Sis Novi, is there anything you don't like about social media? Why?
Yeah, there is. There's something bad on social media if we could not filter it, because sometimes we find flexing on social media and also fake information. So if we could not filter that informations, maybe we will get wrong information. So that's why we should be wise and select which information that accurate and not. So my suggestion, better we do not believe 100% on the all information that we will get in on social media. Yeah, because we have to filter all the information that we got from social media. That's all, bro. I hope I can
Okay.
answer all the question well.
Okay, thanks for answering all those questions.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Okay. So yeah, that's great. Thank you so much right now for answering the questions from Bro Fata, and thank you so much, Bro Fata, for helping me, okay, to be the questioner of
You're
those
welcome.
questions. Yeah. Okay. So right now I'll give the opportunity to this Novisari to choose one of your friends, and then you have to be the questioner. Okay, same as I did or Bro Fata did as well. Okay, so right now I'll give you the opportunity.
Yeah, thank you, bro. Yeah. Allow me to give this opportunity to Bro Halim. Bro Halim.
Yes, this Novi, I hear.
Yeah. Thank you, Bro Halim.
Thank you.
I'm lucky today I have opportunity to interview you in
Oh,
this session.
yes. I like it.
Okay. Maybe we can start these conversations by topic 1, introduction. So, could you please to introduce yourself to us?
Thank you. Oh, nice question. Thank you, Sis Novi. Good evening, Bro Yahya, Bro Fatah, Sis Vivi. I want to introduce myself. My name is Abdul Halim. You can be call me Halim. I am an office worker who live in small town in Tegal. To be precise, I was born in Slawi, Tegal, Regency, Central Java. I am 51 years old and married with 2 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. The first child, a boy, now is a final semester in King Saudi Arabia. And the second child is currently teaching in Wonogiri after finishing school in Gontor Putri Mantingan, Islamic boarding school. And the last little boy has just graduated from elementary school, SDT Bimantara Al Furqan, and now explain to continue his education at the Nurul Haya Brebes Islamic boarding school now, and in the 7th class. I work in Bank Mandiri as security officer, and I work at Bank Mandiri Jakarta for around 18 years, then moved to Semarang at about 2017 until July 2020, and transferred to the Tegal City until now. My wife, teacher. My wife is a teacher, and at the Bimantara Al Furqan Integrated Islamic Primary School. I think that now I study English with speaking partner. We have motivation because my second children and my first boy and second children, second girl can speak English fluency and well. So I want to study with many friends in this room in speaking partner. I think that's just interest myself is Novi.
Yeah, thank you so much for the introduction, Bro Halim. So let's move to second topic.
Yes.
We want to ask you about social media. Would you mind telling us which social media website do you have?
Yeah, that is my favorite question. Every day I use social media, WhatsApp and Instagram. So I must report every day for my activities, my daily activity in my company to make a report for my boss and what can I do every day in my job. So every morning I must make a report in my group in my job. I report daily activities in my staff. When's is my branch? And the second, sometimes I use Instagram to post on my activities from my job and the church. Sometimes I use Facebook, but not really. Jarang apa ya? Jarang. Sorry.
I
Rare.
seldom.
Yeah, seldom.
Seldom, yeah, yeah. Seldom use Facebook. Only three social media we use in my activities. And sometimes I must open the YouTube. I, I see YouTube in English conversation, and I think it's all this Novi.
Yeah, thank you so much, Bro Halim. For the next questions, I would like to ask you, how much time do you spend on social media sites and why or why not?
Okay, well, this is Novi. What's a good question? Talking about I spend my time in social media about every day. I use once to 2 hours in use social media. So I must report in my daily activities and sometimes see YouTube. So every day, average we use 1 to 2 hour in use spend my in social media on social media. Sorry.
Yeah, thank you, Bro Halim. So you are quite active on using social media. Okay. The next questions. What kind of information about yourself have you put on social media? And why or why not?
It's well, I give some time to think, please. But so I give information in only my job in my job. So uh, I don't put in social media for anyone gitu kan. So I only use social media in my daily activities, and I think I am afraid when my personality in put in social media. So I have experience bad experience. We use social media in Facebook and Instagram. So I only use social media and be careful use social media. I think like this is Novi.
Yeah, thank you so much, Bro Halim. And the last question for you, is there anything you don't like about social media? If yes, why?
Well, that's a good question. I think social media give me advantages and disadvantages. So I have experience the bad experience. So when we use a social media, we must be careful. For example, uh, if we use social media at the first uh, can fake news. I think many news is not true in social media, so must be careful. And the second, sometimes I see use social media for a cyber crime, so we must be careful too. And the second, the third, if we use social media, for example, for children, must look have a problem. I think if use social media uh, every day and more time, I think can not bad in health problem. Give a problem in health them. And the last, I think the social media can give me wasted of my time. So I must be careful use social. Sometimes every day I use social media 2 hours only, because which if use social media can give me wastage of time. I think like that. Although social media give me uh, advantage advantages for information, give me gain information, and give me entertain and showing creativity, and we can connectivity internet, but we must be careful using social media. I think like this is Novi.
Yeah, thank you so much, Bro Halim, for answering all the questions from me. So now, I hand over. Yeah, I offer to
Okay.
Bro Yahya.
Okay, thank you so much, by the way, Sis Novisari, for helping me giving the questions to Bro Halim, like an interview as well. So right now, and then thank you as well to Bro Halim for answering the questions from Sis Novisari. So now your turn, Bro Halim, to ask to the last interviewer, yeah, okay, or the last member that you want to interview or that you should interview, or so right now you can go ask the questions to this with me. Okay, so I'll give you the opportunity, Bro Halim.
Okay, thank you, bro. Yeah, give me your time. Hello, good evening, Sis Vivi.
Good evening, bro. Wait a minute.
Sorry, I
Sorry.
want to. Sorry, I want to interview best my teacher in this room. Sorry,
No,
but
doesn't like that.
that is
Sorry, it's
example
bro
for
ya. Ini, sorry. Ini, halo.
Hello.
Huh?
Yes.
Suara kalian tuh putus-putus. Ini bro siapa? Ini bro ya.
Bro Halim, Bro
Bro Fatah,
Halim.
Bro Halim ya.
Bro Halim, you hear me? My voice?
Oh.
Hello.
Ya. Oke. I
Okay.
tried. Okay.
Sorry, this is example for interview for this Vivi only.
Yeah.
Okay, my
course.
best student this room.
Oh
Sorry,
no, don't say like that. We are the best here. You all guys, the
We
best.
are the best partner.
best
Yeah,
partner.
best part.
Okay.
Okay, sorry. I want to give you a question, part 1 into and family
appreciate.
topic. Yes, topic 1 introduction. Sis Vivi,
Okay.
can you introduce yourself and tell me full name, please, and how I called you, and can you tell me where you live, please? Thank you.
Okay, by the way, thank you for the time all. It's nice to have you all here, guys. Good evening all, Bro Yahya, Bro Helmi, and Bro Fatah, Sis Novisari. Wow, it's nice to meet you all here. Actually, I want to introduce myself. My full name is Devi Wijayanti, and you can call me Fifi because it's my nickname, Fifi or Vivi. Some of my family and my circle and my in environment when I was in childhood, some of them do not know about my name Devi. They always call me Fifi. Yeah, so that's why my family took this name for me. Okay. I come from Central Java. The part of Central Java is Semarang, and right now I live in Lampung with my own family, with my little family. I live with my husband and my 2 children. The eldest one, 15 years old, and the older one, and the youngest one is still 3.5 years old. Yeah, I have 2 children. Yeah, I think it's about me introducing myself. Maybe uh, we we can continue about the next question.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Sisvivi, for your introduction yourself. Okay, next question. Topic to social media.
Okay.
Which social media website do you have?
Social media, yeah. Honestly, I have three social media. I use TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. For the Instagram, the old one has been hacked by someone, and then I make a new one. And the Facebook, yeah, it's kind of all about my information, and then in the Facebook. And about the TikTok, I just share about my daily activity, and sometimes I put my a little speech there about all the living life, about the environmental, about the positively affirmation, something like that. I'm still learning about that. And yeah, and for I usually use my social media every day. Maybe you can describe that the time killing my time. The social media is killing my time. It's not for fun also, but uh, the the point is it's related with my work, because I need more for information, and I have my own business, so I took all my business in a social media. uh, yeah Actually, for the social media, some of the real about my personal life. I have no like some kind of fake information over there, just like but I seldom post about the privacy, but I sometimes post about the daily activity, about my daily activity, my work, and then my business also, and my circle with my friends. Yeah, that's all about the information about me. It appears in my social media. Yeah, that's all, bro.
Thank you,
Yes.
Sisvivi. Good answer.
Why I'm so nervous, why? I
Okay,
don't know.
I want to explain the second
I
question.
don't know. It's
I've a
different when
lot,
I
I've
got the
already
interview.
had a lot of things that I want to say after this, but we have to finish it first. Yeah, the first sections.
Okay, for the next question.
Okay, the next question. How much time do you spend on social media sites? And if you answer why, and if you want answer why not?
Yeah, actually, I have been spent my time for space social media since the morning until night. Yeah, I told you before that it may be killing my time, but not but it's for the good advantage, because I do that not for only for fun, but I have to get the more information related with my business. So according to that, I can make my next plan, my action plan actually for the next my business. All of the information I get from social media. So that's why I have to update up to date, but news from social media. That's all, bro.
Thank you. Yeah, good answer again. And sixth question, what kind of information about yourself have you put on social media? If you answer why or why not?
Mm, Indeed, I tell about all about my life and my life in social media actually, and it's true and not fake. And because sometimes maybe it's based on before that I ever have a interview also. So I just think that they have to see about my social media. So I have to follow the good information. And sometimes I put about my family, but not to like a privacy one. No, not really. I just put my daily activity, my business, my circle, and my daily sport also. Yeah. If you look at to my social media, the most of them is about the sport that I have done. And about the cycling, running, and swimming as well. And about my business also. Yeah, that's all. But I seldom to post about my family. It's a rare. It's a seldom. Yeah, that's all. Bro.
Okay. When I hear your answer, I think Sis Vivi, social media is very, very important for you. Thank you, Sis Vivi.
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely sure. Yeah, absolutely sure. Yeah, we cannot to be fake about all information we got from the social media. For me, and based on my experience, right, social media can connect all about information. Through social media, I can get various information. And because the flow of information is very fast, without limit in social media, and can be positive if used correctly. Yeah, so I do that by like I use my social media for positively, and to educate and optimize the practical benefits of social media. Yeah, for me, the positive impact of using social media is also marked by the, let's say, development of marketplace that bring together sellers and buyers, e-commerce, and sometimes the develop. Yeah, I think it's sometimes development of economic sharing of resources, so that business startup like me, are increasingly massive, which open up new business opportunities, and creating new market. And sometimes I using new promotional tools that are effective and efficient by social media. But I very hate, let's say hate, yeah. Or on the other hand, yeah, social media has also negative impact. Yeah, let's say if the public space is filled with information circulating through social media with hoaxes, and false information or fake news and misinformation or false news. Yeah, okay, and which has um, what do you mean? Uh, tremendous, yeah, destructive power, because it spreads any quickly without limits, and capable of evoking a very strong emotion. So I think we have to be careful when we using our social media. Uh, if I suggest you all guys, I think we should use it by positively. That's also we cannot become provoked by the other, or has provoked by the other. Ya, tidak terprovokasi dan tidak memprovokasi. Aku kok bingung. Sorry, sorry. Yeah, that's all. Yes, so many good impact and bad impact. So we have to more wise when we use our social media, bro. Okay, thank you for the time. It's enough for me.
Okay, I think great answer. I think just now you say the last question, bro. Yeah.
Mm.
Is there anything you don't like about social media? Just now have answer.
Okay, have been answered by Sis Vivi, right?
Hmm.
I see. Okay, so that's great. So for your informations, maybe Francis, because yeah, I've already got to point yeah about the interview. So I mean like I will stop the interview here, and then I just want to give you any feedbacks and then tell you something. So we will not jump into the next topic because it's for me it's really enough. By the way, Francis. So to assessing you or for assessing or for examination as well. So it's enough by the way using the only one topic branches. Okay, so I'll go with this one. So how did you feel or if we use the atmosphere which is it's a formal atmosphere by the way branches. So how did you feel using the formal way to interview or to do interview with your friends? Gimana perasaan dari teman-teman tadi ketika kita menggunakan formal interview teman-teman atau formal
Uh,
atmosphere?
yeah, I think it's nice, and I can feel like more polite.
Mhm.
More polite. It's important for the interview, and we can also know about their answer, and we can see how they speak as well, and we can copycat when they have a new vocabulary about the formal word or yeah, something like that, bro.
Okay, so what about the others? Silakan mungkin pendapatnya dari teman-teman yang lain ketika tadi menggunakan cara yang formal itu seperti apa teman-teman? How did you feel? Ada lagi mungkin yang ingin
Alright,
menambahkan?
bro.
Mhm. What is that, bro Fata?
I feel a bit of nervous.
Okay.
uh, uh, I try to reduce my freezing.
Mhm.
I try to speak fluently, but as far as it's good for us, especially for me,
Mhm.
to speak better than yesterday. Yeah, something like that, bro.
Okay, I see. So right now, yeah, I can say, Francis, yeah, I'll give you the conclusions about our class tonight, and then it's our last meeting as well. So it is the way we have to, or I give you the lessons about interview, and then using or while me examine you as well atau menguji teman-teman seperti itu ya. So right now I'll tell you, Francis, the first one, so that I've prepared that I want to give you a formal sections because for many times ago, right, that we have run our class for a long time and start from the first beginning. Maybe we started or we run our class using the casual way atau cara yang mungkin lebih santai teman-teman seperti itu ya. So that you can enjoy it. It's more enjoyable, by the way, bisa dinikmati lebih kayak gitu ya teman-teman. And then it's going to be different or it was different as well with our tonight class because I want to try to make it a little bit formal, yeah, because we are learning as well. We don't know how to make the formal situations as well by ourselves. I just created by myself, by the way. Jadi saya cuman menciptakannya berdasarkan kemampuan saya aja ya teman-teman ya. Okay, so all the things all of okay after finishing all of the intro and then familiar topic or all of the interview, Francis. So I'll go with the first point that I want to mention. Of course, yeah, we can learn the new things that this is the way if we want to have the interview sections or yeah if we apply a job, right, into the company, something like that. So we can practice it here using the formal way. And then the second point that I want to say, I appreciate all of you, even though you said that I couldn't deny, ya, saya nggak bisa menyangkal, saya juga nggak bisa bohong. That using a formal way, or it makes us nervous, by the way, Branches, so that maybe our speaking couldn't be like usual, nggak bisa jadi seperti biasanya, seperti itu ya teman-teman ya. And then so that I can say that, but you can pass all of that using the formal way. And the third point, Francis, maybe if you realize, start from the first meeting until the 19th meeting, we have passed all of the class using all of the questions, yeah, or we run the class, we face all of the class with the questions, by the way, dengan segala bentuk pertanyaan. Okay. By the way, that's the way we practice. If we want to give a long answer or longer answer, Francis, and then clearer answer, even though the questions it's only the short questions, so that we can practice it using all of them. Yeah. That's the intentions of the class in intermediate one. Sorry, intermediate 3, Francis. Jadi itu tujuannya ya teman-teman ya. Dari kelas intermediate 3, bahwasanya dari awal teman-teman selalu dikasih pertanyaan-pertanyaan kayak gitu, dan teman-teman diminta untuk menjawab. So that's the way right now. That's the final day. You can, okay, without wearing all of them, tanpa menyadari itu semua, teman-teman, bahwasannya Francis, you guys can answer longer, even though the questions that has been given by your friends, it's not all it's only the short questions, by the way, but you can spell it longer, like this one. If you don't realize it, or if you can realize that the questions is, we just asked about your full name, right, but you all can answer it directly while cover all of the questions here, by the way. Jadi teman-teman sudah bisa menjawab dengan menutup semua pertanyaan yang the following questions, atau pertanyaan selanjutnya, seperti itu ya. Jadi dengan satu pertanyaan pun teman-teman sudah bisa menjawab secara lebar dengan lebih panjang dan juga lebih jelas, seperti itu teman-teman. So that I can say that that's what we need, or the questioner need ya, or maybe the interviewer, orang-orang yang menginterview kayak gitu ya teman-teman, yang mereka butuhkan ketika mereka memberikan pertanyaan untuk suatu interview kayak gitu, momen di interview. Okay, and then for the fourth one, Francis, maybe I just want to say this one because it's our first time for the first, or for some meetings that we have passed in the previous moment, like that. So we have passed that using the casual way ya. Dan ini juga kita mungkin pertama kalinya dalam 20 meeting kita menggunakan cara yang berbeda, yaitu dengan formal, teman-teman. So that it's really okay. Maybe the things that I want to give to you, Francis, that's the insight only. So the way you answer the questions, if you felt that it's enough for you, or the way you answer, okay, your answer it's enough for you, so do not hesitate, jangan ragu-ragu teman-teman untuk menutup seperti itu, atau menutupnya dengan tambah okay. So that's all, or that's the thing that I can explain about the questions that you have given to me. Jadi ketika memang teman-teman itu rasa sudah cukup untuk menjawab pertanyaan yang diberikan, jadi teman-teman jangan ragu-ragu untuk menutupnya. Jadi tidak menggantung, kayak gitu ya teman-teman ya. So, soal nanti teman-teman akan diberikan pertanyaan lanjutan karena mungkin dari jawabannya kurang jelas, ya itu tidak apa ya. Setidaknya teman-teman sudah menjawabnya sesuai poin yang dari pertanyaan yang ditanyakan, seperti itu teman-teman. Jadi ya intinya do not hesitate, jangan ragu-ragu seperti itu untuk menutup setidaknya atau menyudahinya. Jangan biarkan cara kita menjawab itu menggantung ya teman-teman ya. Jadi so that's it, something like that. That's the thing that I can say or that I can explain to you, sir, something like that. So jadi setidaknya beliau it's a it's like a sign that you give to them kayak gitu. Jadi ini adalah sebuah pertanda yang teman-teman kasih kepada mereka sebagai penanya atau tukang interviewnya kayak gitu ya, bahwasannya teman-teman sudah selesai menjawabnya seperti itu. Jadi mereka tidak akan menunggu atau jika memang mereka menunggu atau kebingungan, takutnya kalau teman-teman tidak menjawab itu atau tidak memberikan sign atau tanda bahwa ya teman-teman selesai, nanti takutnya mereka bingung apakah teman-teman masih ada lanjutan lagi kah atau teman-teman terkesan sedang memikirkan kah jawabannya, seperti itu teman-teman. Oke, so jadi yang intinya poinnya adalah do not hesitate. Mungkin ini bisa jadi awalan buat kita ternyata menghadapi interview dengan cara formal itu seperti itu. So that's the way we practice it, Francis. And then for the last one of the thing that I want to say, like you have to keep that, Francis ya. Jadi teman-teman mungkin jadi dari beberapa pertemuan, dari pertemuan pertama sampai awal, mungkin teman-teman ada yang memikirkan bahwasannya kenapa selalu pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang harus kita jawab di setiap kelas. So that's the intentions, Francis. Jadi ini adalah tujuannya teman-teman belajar di sini bahwasanya untuk menjawab pertanyaan yang lebih panjang. Walaupun pertanyaan yang diberikan hanya pertanyaan pendek seperti itu, teman-teman. Karena itu yang memang dibutuhkan dalam suatu interview. As I know that in English interview like IELTS speaking kayak gitu ya, pertanyaannya pendek tapi cara menjawabnya harus panjang, seperti itu yang diinginkan sebenarnya. Mungkin dari teman-teman yang sudah mengalami interview dalam dunia pekerjaan mungkin kurang lebih hampir sama seperti itu ya, because as I know selama ini ya itu yang dibutuhkan karena jawaban yang lebih panjang dan orang can value us like that, teman-teman. The people can value us from the way we answer the questions. Okay, so they will know about our capability on that, on that project, something like that, or di titik itu, teman-teman. Jadi kan orang-orang bisa mengetahui kapabilitas kita dari cara kita menjawab seperti itu. Oke, so mungkin itu dari saya untuk tambahannya buat teman-teman ya. So it's a very good, Francis. Saya juga tadi sebenarnya sosok muka serius tuh kayak gimana, kayak gitu ya teman-teman ya. It's a little bit weird for me. Jadi agak aneh aja buat saya karena kita terbiasa casual kayak gitu teman-teman atau bercanda kayak gitu ya. So I give you the ad, but I want to make it serious or more serious, by the way, Francis, so that it's a kind of formal atmosphere, by the way. Jadi seperti agak formal aja suasananya seperti itu teman-teman. Okay, so by the way, Francis, yeah, so that's our last meeting, by the way, and then I want to say thank you so much, Francis, for being my speaking partner for about 1 month, yeah, in intermediary class, and I want to say thank you so much for all of the insight, for all of the knowledge that you have shared. You have shared to us. We have shared each other as well. So, and then for the second thing, I want to say I really do apologize for every single mistake that I've made, for every or for any shortcomings that I have made as well, that I have had, Francis, yang sudah saya miliki kayak gitu ya teman-teman. Kekurangannya mungkin selama ini membantu teman-teman dalam 1 bulan kita belajar di intermediate 3. Mungkin teman-teman merasa bahwasannya I'm still younger than you as well, Francis. Mungkin ada salah kata dari saya atau sikapnya juga kurang sopan dengan teman-teman, mungkin yang saya bisa bilang lebih wajib atau lebih baik untuk dihargai kayak gitu ya. Mungkin ada salah kata atau adalah sikap dari saya mohon maaf atas itu teman-teman. Oke, so mungkin itu saja dari saya ya teman-teman ya. Sekali lagi terima kasih banyak for being my speaking partner dalam 1 bulan ini. And I hope that that's a little knowledge that I've shared to you. It can be useful for you, Francis. Jadi bisa bermanfaat buat teman-teman. Saya semoga ilmu yang sedikit mungkin atau pengetahuan sedikit yang saya share ke teman-teman itu bisa bermanfaat buat teman-teman nanti ke depannya ya dalam dunia bahasa Inggris. Okay, so maybe only that I want to say. Do you have something to say maybe, Francis?
Yeah. Maybe I would like to say something, yeah, to
Mhm.
you, Bro Yahya, and also
Okay.
my friend here, my classmates. Thank you so much for being my teacher, yeah, in this
Mhm.
class. Yeah, I got a lot of knowledge from you, Bro, and it is really important for me to improve my English skill. So thank you so much for that. And I really appreciate it, and I don't know how to membalas ya, how to
Mhm.
but you don't give me a little tips or a little knowledge about English in this class. You give us a lot of information how to improve our English in this class. So please don't say that you only give
Okay.
a
Okay.
small thing to us, yeah, because
Okay.
we get a lot of information from that, yeah. And also for my classmates here, Bro Fatah, Sis Vivi, and also Bro Halib, uh, please don't stop our connection only in this
Mhm.
class. Yeah, maybe
Continue in Discord.
yeah, maybe next time we will have opportunity to meet up. Who knows? And we don't know we will get this opportunity. So yeah, if we don't have opportunity to meet in person, at least maybe we will have opportunity to have conversation in Discord in our speaking partners server. Yeah, please don't forget me in that room when we have conversation. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for your donations and then all of the thing that you said to me, by the way. I appreciate it. It's a my pleasure, by the way. Okay, what about the others? Mungkin Brancis ada yang ingin disampaikan, silahkan.
Hey, bro.
Okay, from me. Ah, yes,
Okay.
bro. Paling dulu deh.
Okay. I want to say thank you very much from Bro Yahya, best my teacher. You as my son, but now you my teacher. So
Okay.
I appreciate. I study with you English lesson once month, and I hope so. The next you to be success in speaking
Amin.
partner and uh, good education well, and I hope so you can success next.
Okay, Amin. Thank you so much,
Okay,
by the
thank
way,
you
Bro
very
Halim,
much
for
for your
your phrase as
uh,
well.
for your lesson in
Mm,
speaking partner. Thank you,
okay,
bro.
it's a pleasure for me, by the way. Thank you so much. Okay, so yeah, what
Yeah,
about Sis Vivi?
okay. Bro, yeah. Wow, it's a sad time, I think. Yeah, it's honestly, bro, honestly, for the first time I had a class with you here, I just feel like afraid to be bored at the time.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay, it's my honestly to you. But when I took the class, maybe the third and the fourth, I just have a connecting with you. Oh, okay, your style of teaching like this, like this, like that, and it's make me yeah more focused for in the class. Really, before it, I think that's maybe for the adaptation, right? For
Mhm.
the adapt. So I think that's I feel like I'm afraid with myself. I feel I like a bored something like that. But when you teach us and you explain about all about to us, I realized that oh he has a style, he has his own style, and I appreciate that, and really I really thanks to you.
Okay.
uh so I try to have no absent. I have to I have to join as well. But today I almost forgot until this
Mm,
onion knocked me in the Discord when I'm still speaking over there.
okay.
Yes, you remind me. So you give me all information. Fully. Maybe if you do not mind, if I have a question, I can
Yeah,
contact you directly by
yeah.
WhatsApp.
It's
I feel
really
like so.
okay. Yeah, I'm
I
open.
want get this permit first,
Yeah,
right?
I'm
So by
open
the
by the
way,
way. So that's
okay.
the way I kept my relations with my member. You know, right? We will meet again or not in the next level if you continue it. So that I always say into my members, which is their class will be finished. Kayak gitu akan diakhiri ya teman-teman. So I'll say to them that even though later your tutor is not me anymore, Brantis, or it will not be me anymore. So I'm open to you if you have the duty or if you want or if you have some questions that you want to know. I'm open. I'll try to give the informations. Okay, like further ya or as furthest that I know kayak gitu seluas yang saya tahu lah kayak gitu saya akan bantu seperti itu teman-teman. So it's really
Yeah.
okay. I'm open. You can chat me, you can text me into the WhatsApp or at the private chat. It's really okay, by the way. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, I think I hope that you do not forget me, or if you
Yeah.
join in Discord, so please find me with the nickname Fee Wing.
Okay, I'll try. I'll try as well after this.
Okay, by the way, bro,
Okay.
thank you,
Okay, thank you
and
so much,
I
by the way.
apology if I so many mistake during the
Mm.
class and make you please do not hard feeling here, and thank you all my friend classmate here, sis Onion, bro bro Fami, bro Fatah, thank you all guys. Yeah, I hope that we have continue our connection by social media or WhatsApp or Discord for practicing, yeah, as well. So thank you all. Thank you, and I'm sorry. And I apologize for all the mistake I've done.
Okay.
Okay,
Yep.
that's all.
Thank you so much, by the way, Sis Fifi. And then, well, the last one, maybe, Bro Fatah, do you want to say something as well?
Yeah, thank you, bro. I would like to say something. The first, I wanna say thank you very much for Bro Yahya, for being my best tutor in this class, and I apology for my mistake. For my sometime I can't join this class. And for everyone, for my classmates like Bro Halim, Bro Novi, Bro Vivi, thank you for being my classmate, and you all, uh, you all are my teacher and my friends, because I can learn from how you speak, how you manage your words to be a good sentence. Actually, I imitate you all. So okay, the last, maybe we can friends on, we can keep
Ahmad Fajri.
touching on
Fajri kadang-kadang
another
aktif.
device, maybe like social media or Discord. But I haven't joined the Discord. And the last, thank you for all. That's it, bro.
Okay, thank you so much, by the way, Brad. Okay, so this is the last thing that I want to say, Francis, after finishing the class, that even though you are not young anymore, but I really appreciate or your interest, yeah, because you still want to learn English like that, yeah. I don't know what's your intention, but I hope it's a kind of really good intention to learn because we have no limitations, right, to learn anything. By the way, Francis, kita nggak punya batasan untuk belajar apapun itu. Jadi saya sangat mengapresiasi walaupun teman-teman sudah tidak muda lagi mungkin, tapi semangat dari teman-teman dan minat dari teman-teman untuk belajar itu masih besar. So, and then the last thing that I want to say, never feel fulfilled ya teman-teman. Jangan pernah merasa puas dengan apa yang teman-teman dapatkan sekarang. Here I am still learning as well, by the way, Francis. Yeah, I have a longer or still have the long way kayak gitu. Saya punya jalan panjang juga ya that I have passed. Yang harus saya that I have to pass, I mean like yang harus saya lewati juga, yang harus saya ya yang harus saya lewati semuanya Francis. Jadi jangan pernah merasa puas. Jadi teman-teman nanti akan terus belajar dan rasa ingin tahunya tambah banyak. So mungkin itu dari saya ya teman-teman. Sekali lagi terima kasih banyak dan juga mohon maaf yang sebesar-besarnya atas segala kekurangannya dan juga mungkin kesalahan kata dan juga sikap yang pernah saya lakukan ke teman-teman. Oke. So mungkin ada baiknya kita tutup kelas terakhir kita, meeting terakhir kita ini dengan berdoa terlebih dahulu. Semoga apa ilmu yang sudah kita bagikan bersama-sama di sini satu sama lain, the knowledge itu bisa bermanfaat buat kita dan juga bisa membantu kita nantinya menambah informasi dan juga pengetahuannya teman-teman ya. So let's close our class tonight, our last meeting by praying
Oh my
together.
goodness.
Praying begin.
Oh, the class finished.
Okay, finish. So, by the way, that's all from me, Francis. Once again, thank you so much, and I'm sorry for every single mistake. And the last I say, see you in another occasions, and bye bye, Francis.
See
Thank
you.
you.
Bye-bye. See you.
Thank you, Francis.